Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I just finished classes early. I had 3 classes this morning and so I want to do some crayon art with my kids. I saw it on the internet, but I want to try it out myself first before I get the kids involved because I want to know how messy it is, how it works, if it works. And so I made my own rendition of it. I saw people, spinning a canvas while blowing hot air onto glued on crayons. What I did was I broke up crayons into how I want them to be on the canvas, and I glued them on with just I used clear Elmer's glue. You can use whatever glue you want to. Probably not hot glue. I was thinking about it, but they use super glue, whatever. Then I'm not going to spin my canvas. I'm going for sort of a Starry Night theme. If you've seen that famous painting Starry Night, obviously mine's not going to be just like that, but I want to see how it turns out. I've got swirls of some of my favorite colors and want to see how it looks, so I'm going to try to melt it with a hairdryer. Let's go. So here's what I have. This is what I'm looking at. And this is my hairdryer. It's actually my first time using this hairdryer. I bought it a few months ago. I don't really blow dry hair very much. So let's go. Okay, I stopped for a second and I put down paper around it because I realized it was starting to get on things, and I put some barrier up to keep it from my props and stuff. So let's keep going. Okay, I'm gonna wait a minute because it dries pretty fast. I want to wait a minute so that I can finish without it just splattering everywhere. It's messier than I thought it would be. I'm not sure I would do this with my kids. Probably outside and not as many crayons. So I overestimated the amount of crayons I would need. It's kind of an art project / experiment, right? All art is experimentation, right? This is how it looks right now. I'm going to wait a minute for it to dry. Then I'll keep blow drying it. I want to not have any clumps when I finish at all. But I have gotten a little bit on my lamp and box, but that's okay. And tablecloth, but all that, it's fine. I'm glad I didn't get on anything else hardly. Oh, got a little bit on this. That's okay. This will come right off, pretty sure, of some things if it's plastic. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm liking the blue right here. I might do some sort of spinny action maybe. I'm afraid all of it'll come right off though. Look at that. Interesting. just for fun and experimentation, I sprinkled a little bit more pieces on there. Let's look. Thanks guys for doing this experiment with me. Have a great day.